Welcome to House Lux Estate, your trusted partner in creating a beautiful and functional living space. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on everyone's minds lately: creating a productive home office environment. With the world shifting towards a more flexible work model, having a space at home where you can focus and be productive has never been more important. It's not just about having a desk and a chair, it's about creating an environment that inspires you, minimizes distractions, and promotes efficiency. From choosing the right location in your home, to selecting the appropriate furniture and equipment, organizing your workspace, and personalizing it to reflect your style, we're going to cover it all. We'll share tips, tricks, and insights to help you design a home office that not only looks good, but also boosts your productivity. So, if you're looking for ways to boost your productivity while working from home, you're in the right place. A productive office space isn't just about having a desk and a chair, it goes much deeper. It's a well-known fact that our environment influences our behavior, mood, and productivity. The same principle applies to your home office. It's not just a place where you work, it's a space where creativity, efficiency, and success need to thrive. Imagine trying to focus on a complex task while being distracted by clutter, poor lighting, or an uncomfortable chair. It's like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. On the other hand, a well-designed and organized workspace can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and increase productivity. It can serve as a catalyst for your best ideas and your most efficient work. A productive home office is a tangible representation of your professional goals. It's a space that supports your work rhythm, encourages your ambition, and respects your need for balance. A well-organized home office can make the difference between a productive workday and a frustrating one. The first step in creating a productive home office is choosing the right location. So let's dive right in. Now, you might be thinking, I'll just set up in the corner of my living room. But hold on a moment, there's more to it than just picking a spot and setting up a desk. Firstly, consider the noise level. If you're working from home, you need a space that's quiet enough for you to focus. You don't want to be in the middle of an important conference call and have the sound of the washing machine spinning in the background, do you? So, try and find a spot that's as far away from household noise as possible. Next, think about natural light. Numerous studies have shown that exposure to natural light during the day can improve your mood and productivity. So, try and find a location with plenty of windows. If that's not possible, then at least make sure your chosen spot is well lit. Privacy is another important factor to consider. You need a space where you can work undisturbed. If you're in a bustling part of the house, you might find yourself constantly interrupted by family members or roommates. A room with a door that you can close is ideal, but if that's not feasible, consider using room dividers or screens to create a sense of separation. Lastly, consider the size and layout of the space. Make sure it's big enough to accommodate your desk, chair, and any other necessary equipment. Also, try and choose a spot that allows for some flexibility in terms of layout. This way, you can adjust your workspace as your needs change over time. Choosing the right location for your home office might take a bit of time and thought, but trust me, it's worth it. By considering factors like noise level, natural light, privacy, and space, you can find a spot that truly enhances your productivity and makes your work from home experience a joy rather than a chore. Remember, the right location sets the foundation for a productive work environment. So, take your time, consider your options, and create a space that works for you. Once you've chosen the location, it's time to think about furniture and equipment. Now, the key here is to marry comfort with functionality. You're going to be spending a lot of time in this space, so it's crucial that it supports your body and your work. Let's start with the throne of your workspace, the chair. An ergonomic chair is a smart investment. It supports your back, promotes good posture, and reduces the risk of back pain and other physical discomforts. Look for one with adjustable height and armrests, and a backrest that follows the natural curve of your spine. Next up is your desk. This is where the magic happens, so size does matter here. Ensure your desk is spacious enough to accommodate your computer, keyboard, mouse, and other necessary items without feeling cramped. A standing desk is a great option too, allowing you to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day to prevent stiffness and fatigue. Now, let's talk about the brain of your operation, the computer. Whether you prefer a desktop or a laptop is entirely up to you. Just ensure it's powerful enough to handle your tasks efficiently. Pair this with a reliable internet connection, and you're good to go. Lighting is another crucial aspect. Natural light is the best, but if that's not possible, invest in quality desk lamps. Good lighting reduces eye strain and keeps you alert and focused. Don't forget about storage. Shelves, filing cabinets, or even a simple desk organizer can keep your workspace clutter-free and your mind clear. Lastly, consider the small yet significant items like a comfortable keyboard and mouse, noise-canceling headphones, and perhaps a second monitor for multitasking. Remember, your workspace is a reflection of you. Choose furniture and equipment that not only serve your needs, but also make you feel good. After all, a comfortable and efficient workspace is a productive one. Investing in the right furniture and equipment can significantly enhance your productivity and comfort. Now let's talk about how to organize your workspace for maximum productivity. First things first, let's consider the items you use the most. Think about your day-to-day tasks. What tools do you reach for time and time again? Your computer, your notebook, a certain set of pens? These are your most commonly used items, and they should be within easy reach. This will save you time and energy throughout your workday. Now, what about those less frequently used items? Those should be stored away but still accessible. Consider investing in some storage solutions. Filing cabinets, shelves, and desk organizers can be your best friends in creating a clutter-free workspace. Remember, a clutter-free desk equals a clutter-free mind. Speaking of clutter, let's address desk clutter. It's all too easy to let papers pile up, pens to scatter, and random items to make their way onto your workspace. But this clutter can be a major distraction and productivity killer. Make it a habit to tidy your desk at the end of each workday. This way, you start each day with a clean slate, ready to tackle your tasks. Next, let's think about your digital workspace. Yes, your computer desktop counts too. Keep your computer files well organized and delete unnecessary items. Use folders and labels to categorize your files. This will make it easier to find what you need and keep your digital space as clean and organized as your physical one. Lastly, consider your workflow. Organize your workspace in a way that suits your work style. If you're right-handed, keep your most used items on the right side. If you frequently reference books, keep a bookshelf nearby. Your workspace should serve you and your needs. Remember, everyone's ideal workspace is different. What works for one person might not work for another. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. A well-organized workspace not only looks good, but also helps you stay focused and productive. And finally, don't forget to personalize your home office. This is your workspace, so it should reflect who you are and what you love. One of the simplest ways to do this is by incorporating your favorite colors. Perhaps a calming blue for the walls or a vibrant yellow for your office chair. Or why not both? Next, consider displaying personal items. Photos of loved ones, souvenirs from memorable trips, or even your favorite books can create a cozy and inspiring environment. These personal touches can also serve as reminders of why you work hard every day. Lastly, let's not forget about the power of nature. Incorporating plants into your home office can boost your mood, improve air quality, and even enhance productivity. You could choose a low-maintenance succulent, a tall leafy fern, or a colorful orchid. Remember, personalizing your home office makes it a space where you'll love to work. Creating a productive home office doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. We've journeyed through the steps together, understanding the importance of a productive home office, choosing the right location, selecting furniture and equipment, organizing the workspace, and personalizing the space. Each step is a building block to your success. Remember, the perfect balance between comfort and functionality is key. Your office should be a place where you can focus, be creative, and feel motivated. With the right planning and a dash of personal style, you'll be on your way to creating a space that works for you. And with that, we wrap up our guide on creating a productive home office. But the journey doesn't end here. There's always more to learn, more to explore. So, stick around for more tips and ideas on how to turn your home into a haven of productivity and success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more home improvement tips and ideas.